सुश्री कंगना रनौत।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय जी, मैं आपका मेरी तरफ से और मंडी की जनता की तरफ से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ, आभार करती हूँ कि आपने आज पहली बार मुझे इस सभा में बोलने का, मंडी क्षेत्र के विषय में बोलने का मौका दिया। महोदय, हमारे मंडी क्षेत्र में ऐसी बहुत सारी कला शैलियाँ हैं जो विलुप्त हो रही हैं। हमारे हिमाचल प्रदेश में जो एक घर बनाने की कला शैली है जिसे काटकुनी कहा जाता है, वहाँ भेड़ और याक की ऊनों से जो है विभिन्न वस्त्र बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि जैकेट्स हो गए या टोपियाँ हो गई, शॉल या स्वेटर्स बनाने के जो काम है, जिनका बाहर के देशों में बहुत मूल्य मिलता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से जो है ये जो एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं उनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए क्या कदम लिए जा रहे हैं। और साथ ही मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे हिमाचल का जो संगीत है, खासकर जो स्पीति और किन्नौर या भरमौर के क्षेत्र में पाए जाने वाला जो ट्राइबल उनकी जो कपड़े हो गए, उसके साथ में जो उनके फोक फॉर्म्स है, आर्ट फॉर्म्स है, वो भी विलुप्त होती जा रही हैं। तो उनके विषय में क्या कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं? धन्यवाद।
Like I've just mentioned, the infrastructure around airports has increased so much in the last 10 years. A huge push has been given for Civil Aviation Ministry. And right now, the way members are raising up their demands and asking for new airports or connectivity, it was almost, if you go back 10 years or 20 years back, it used to be the demand with railways. Sir, तब railways से पूछते थे कि train चाहिए या फिर stop चाहिए. अब वो हालत airways में आ गया है सर. तो airways is the new railways of the country and I'm very proud about it. And especially regarding the connectivity, नहीं उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ.
आप उनका जवाब मत दो.
दादा उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. Sir, but the honorable member has mentioned about the connectivity, but let me make it clear from the ministry, sir, we don't have any direct jurisdiction which where we interfere with the connectivity of the airlines. It is entirely a demand-driven process, market-driven process, and the airlines decide which connectivity. We offer the infrastructure. अगर airlines बोलता है कि यहाँ से ये मैं वहाँ तक चलाना चाहता हूँ, तो we ensure that there is airport connectivity on both the places. But what we do, sir, because there has been a big demand from all the members कि हमें यहाँ से ये connectivity चाहिए, we are just forwarding the request to the airlines and asking them to favorably consider according to the demand of that airport, sir. This is a very important question, sir, and of course I sympathize with the issues that he has flagged. And regarding the rules that we have within the ministry, sir, this is a market-driven approach that the airlines use for deciding the airfares. In fact, after I took charge as the Minister for Civil Aviation, my immediate commitment to the people of this country was I want to make the air prices affordable. I didn't know what was going through it. I was not aware of the rules, but I gave a commitment to the people that we are going to make it affordable, sir. And from my ministry, I am ensuring that whatever process can be involved in trying to ensure that happens, sir, we are trying to do. Now, right now, the rules are totally against doing that, sir. We don't have anything that at one point of time, when the DGCA wanted to do something also, the courts also got involved, sir. It is a very, very tricky process. And even when deciding the air prices, there are a lot of factors, lot of parameters that come into play, and especially one situation that the whole country needs to be aware of. There are 800 odd planes in the country, and because of engine issues, sir, almost 120 planes are grounded right now. They are not able to fly because of the lack of aircraft that we have in our fleet. There is a lot of additional burden on the existing aircrafts also, which is also driving up the prices, sir. And right now, and the happy thing that the country should know is that we have 1,200 aircrafts on order, which is the highest in the world, sir. The country with the highest aircraft orders is India, and we are ensuring that they come on time, they be delivered on time, when we are ensuring from the ministry whatever best we can do in this. And additionally, sir, if there are already, like I said, civil aviation requirements, already rules in place which protects the passenger. If the airlines is trying to manipulate any situation, if they are not trying to give them prior information, if they are not trying to give them a refund, there are rules already in place. If the honorable member has any specific case that has happened, we are very much willing to support the case and fight on behalf of the passenger and ensure that his right is protected, sir. Customer is always the king. That is our priority in the ministry, sir. Thank you.